Welcome to RCM Engineering. My name is Hazem Al-Hadwi and I am the creator of RCM Engineering software. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to interact with my app denominated RCM Retaining Wall. When you run the app, as you see, you will have 4 activated buttons. The first one is YouTube tutorials, when you'll be able to reach our tutorials on YouTube. The second section is about news sections. At the left side, we have our course material at Geotechnical-Academy, Mexico, and a cantilever wall icon. The last one is our interest. By clicking on it, we start selecting the unit system. We have imperial, international system, and metric unit system. In this video, we will select international system. Then we have to select our condition of design. Let's select this option and new. And now we can add a new project. At this activity, we have to select one of 2 commonly accepted methods for calculating earth pressure. We have Rankine and Coulomb. Let's select Coulomb for this video. Next. Now we start introducing values that the app needs for its calculations algorithm, like backfill mechanical properties, like backfill friction angle, slope angle, concrete soil friction angle, cohesion, soil unit weight, foundation mechanical properties, other soil condition, like if we are considering a passive pressure and front face soil, if we are considering a water table depth. Finally, we have here security factors for our 3 conditions or our principal condition, that the slipping, base pressure, and overturning. And the second activity, we have the same procedure of introducing values. If you see, when you click any icon, that we see this fragment, and clicking on quantity considered our input, we introduce our value. In this case, let's put 5 meters for the stem height. So at this way, we have to fill every value of our geometric data. As you can see, when you introduce a value, this warning sign will be changed to a green tick. For this left side base width, if we put here 0.5 meters, you see how the warning sign has changed to a green tick. So once we've defined our geometric data, now we have to define loads. The surcharge load, the distance from wall back face to surcharge load, if we have any point load, if we have any front face resistance, all of these loads have to be defined. Next, here in 2D drawing, we will not be able to visualize the retaining wall till we have defined all previous parameters. So once we've defined all of it, we can see our retaining wall drawn in 2 dimensions. So let's do it. I can load a project that I have saved previously by clicking on open. So here the program is telling me that if I quit, I will lose any unsaved information, and I will tell the program that it's okay because I'm loading a new project. Yes, so here is the list of my project that I have saved in the cloud of RCM. In the Pro version, any user has a personal space for saving project. If I click in project 2, constructed in Bogota, Colombia, and created on November 2021, the program will load all the parameters that I have saved previously. As you can see, I have all the parameters filled automatically, and now I can visualize my 2D drawing of the retaining wall. I can modify any geometric or geotechnical parameter. If I change here, for example, if I change the toe height for 1 meter, you will see how the 2D drawing at real time refresh the drawing at the new toe height. And if I need to change another parameter, for example, base width to 8 meters, now I will have this drawing refreshed. So we continue. Here we have the geometry analysis activity. From now on, the app will take care of all the calculations for us. As we see, the shrinked element, the weight, and the applied moment of each one of it. Next, now, based on our previous selection, we can see the Coulomb theory at the top of this activity. At this activity, the app calculates the active earth pressure, the passive air pressure, vertical loads, horizontal loads. Each calculation, it's here. Every calculation is here. Even the hydrostatic pressure calculations are shown here. So, next. Now we have the results of this app calculations. These results are related with the security factors introduced at the first activity. As you can see, we have results here. For slipping, failed. For overtuning, it's okay. For maximum eccentricity limit check, passed. For base pressure, it's okay. And for vertical stress for wall supported on soil, also it's okay. Now, once we have obtained our results, we can create our PDF report by clicking on Create. Then we will be able to visualize our report by clicking on Visualize. And this is our report created, okay, of our app RCM Retaining Wall in a few steps, without a lot of experience, because the sequence of the activities of this application help us or guide us to obtain a fast results to make decisions in our work, in our study, in any area of the civil engineering. As we see, all the calculations step by step are shown here. Overtuning check, okay. For eccentricity check, okay. And bearing capacity, check the vertical stress. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a video tutorial to learn how to interact with RCM Retaining Wall. Thank you very much. Hazem Al-Hadwi from RCM Engineering INC. Thank you.